In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Brevo account. If you're looking to take your first steps into the world of Brevo, a user-friendly platform that offers a range of services, you're in the right place. We're going to guide you through the entire account creation process, making it as seamless and straightforward as possible. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, getting to their official site is your very first step. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is look for that all-important button to begin your account setup. Typically, you'll find this button sitting conveniently at the top right corner of the home page. It's usually labeled Sign Up or Get Started, so keep an eye out for it. Now, there are a few different ways to register and create your account depending on your preference. Brevo makes it versatile by allowing you to sign up with your email address, or if you prefer the convenience of using an existing account, you can choose to register using your Google account or Apple ID. This flexibility ensures that you can quickly get on with the process using the credentials most convenient for you. Once you've selected your sign-up method, you'll be prompted to fill in some basic information. Brevo will ask for your name, your company's name, along with your website, if you have one, and your company address. This information helps personalize your experience on the platform and ensures the tools and resources match your business needs. As you proceed, Brevo might ask you some additional questions about your business. This isn't to pry, but rather to help them understand how best to tailor their services to you. The platform uses these insights to customize your account setup, providing a smoother user experience right from the start. When it comes to plans, Brevo offers a free plan along with various paid options that cater to different business needs and scales. Take a moment to reflect on what you hope to achieve with Brevo and select the plan that aligns best with your objectives and budget. The free plan is a great choice if you're just starting out and want to explore their features, while the paid plans might suit you better if you're looking for more advanced capabilities and higher usage limits. And there you have it. Everything you need to know to create your Brevo account. With your new account, you can explore and take full advantage of the tools and features Brevo has to offer. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find your new Brevo account a valuable asset in your business journey.